In this session, we're looking at a very important framework, very simple framework to understand when to invest more in sales, marketing, or do both, and when it makes sense to prioritize on the one or the other. Now, as a very simple rule of thumb, when you see this matrix here, you can see that here we have the customers which are classified from consumer to small and medium business and enterprise. And then on the other side, you have really the, let's say, the importance of the customer, the product that you're selling to those customers. Now, as you can see, the more the importance of the customer, the higher the importance of the customer, the more it means you are actually on an enterprise market where you need a very qualified sales force. So in this case, sales and really a very qualified sales force and business development, distribution will all be key elements of growing your business. So dedicated accounts, enterprise business developers, and really deal making will help you scale the organization. On the other side, the more you deal with a small customer and the more you go toward the consumer, the more instead you're going to need a scalable approach to actually sell your product. As if you were to spend all your money in acquiring consumers on a one-to-one basis, actually this would not make any sense from a customer from a business perspective. That is where marketing is going to be your best friend, because with marketing campaigns you can actually reach a large number of people, consumers. You can build a strong brand and you can sell a wide amount of small products. Imagine the case of a company selling pens that cost like $1, doing one-on-one sales with sales accounts. This wouldn't make any sense. Instead, if you have a software product, which is an enterprise software product, which for instance costs at least $10,000 per year, it might make more sense to actually employ dedicated sales account to understand the need of the enterprise, because here there is much more than just the usefulness of the product. There is also the understanding of the organization, how many people are in it, who is taking the decisions, and all those aspects. Instead, when you're moving here and here, for instance, on a small and medium business, of course, you can use a combination of sales and marketing. And when you're moving more toward consumers, you want to be more focused on marketing. This is a really shortcut to understand the main differences and how to use sales and marketing. But having said that, also when you're operating at enterprise level, it's important to recognize that you need to build a strong brand. This means that you're going to need marketing, because marketing is going to actually help your salespeople to better enter inside the organization and much more effectively. So those are some of the differences, how you can understand when to use one or the other. But again, it really depends on a case-to-case history, but you can from here understand the main differences.